Hey, do you love art? Do you love art experiences? If so, I want you to join us for the 10th annual Glass Coast Weekend, a 4-day celebration of contemporary glass art in Sarasota and St. Petersburg, Florida, from January 9th through 12th of 2025. We here at Habatat are excited to have you RSVP for this monumental event. And as an attendee of the Glass Art Fair, you'll experience exclusive access to extraordinary events and meet artists from around the world. You'll have a first view of the Glass Art Fair that features over 150 glass art. This event takes place on the campus of the Ringling College of Art and Design and is an immersive adventure you won't want to miss. And part of the event, it's our 10th year doing this VIP experience. And we're excited to announce an exclusive pop-up exhibit at the Studio Lab Soundstage A at the Ringling College. And your VIP experience will give you a first view of the breathtaking glass art from around the world, which just arrived. This event is not to be missed, and you are invited. The VIP weekend, all VIPs will enjoy early access to the Glass Art Fair, have a private glassblowing demo by artist Richard Royal, have a docent-led tour by Barbara Bash herself of her private show at the Ringling College. You'll have access to the Ringling Museum, the Imagine Museum in St. Petersburg, other exclusive VIP events. You'll also receive a signed poster by the acclaimed artist Alex Bernstein. These experiences make the Glass Coast Weekend truly unforgettable. Throughout the weekend, you'll take part in the world-famous Masterworks Glass Auction. You'll partake in artist talks, a toast celebrating Richard and Barbara Bash, private home tours, a bus trip to St. Petersburg, artist talks, and more. Join us for this thrilling celebration of glass art. Now's the time to RSVP for this Florida glass art experience. Habatat Galleries is thrilled to present the 10th annual Glass Coast Weekend, spotlighting 50 of the world's top glass artists in an exhibition, and VIP packages only start at $2.99 per couple and includes luxury perks like early fair access, private tours, gourmet lunches. RSVP now for this unforgettable glass art experience. I look forward to seeing you then.